Please! I just need one night!
You don't belong here anymore.
Get out!
She left him in the rain, but she had no idea who he would become.
Ethan was 16 years old. He was quiet, polite, and kind.
But his life was not easy. 2 years ago, he had everything.
A warm home, a loving father, and peace.
His father always told him, "Life will test you, Ethan, but don't let it change your heart." Ethan believed him.
But everything changed the day his father died.
The house became silent. The warmth disappeared. And the only person left with him was his stepmother. At first, she pretended to care.
If you need anything, tell me.
But that didn't last long. Days passed, then weeks. And slowly, her kindness disappeared. The stepmother became cold. She stopped talking to him, stopped cooking for him.
Then, she started giving orders.
Clean the kitchen. Wash the clothes. Don't touch my food.
Ethan did everything without complaining.
He woke up early,
Went to school, came back, and worked in the house.
every day felt the same. Heavy, silent, lonely. At night, he sat alone in his room.
He looked at a picture of his father.
I'm trying, Dad. I really am.
But no one heard him. School was not better.
He didn't talk. He didn't laugh.
Until one day,
Hey, is this seat free? I see you here every day, but you never talk. Why are you always so quiet?
I'm just quiet.
Quiet people have the loudest stories.
But something about her felt different. She didn't pity him. She didn't judge him. She just stayed.
days passed.
Emily kept sitting with him.
Here, you can have some.
So I was making a pizza, right? And I accidentally dropped all the pepperoni. So I made a smiley face with them instead. So I was thinking about what you said yesterday.
Small words at first,
Then sentences. Then a smile.
For the first time in months, Ethan smiled.
There it is. I knew you could smile.
Yeah.
It's nice to see.
Admit it, you like me.
You're blushing.
But inside, something was changing.
That night,
Quiet footsteps.
the stepmother was waiting.
Where were you?
At school, with a friend.
Her expression changed instantly.
You don't have friends.
I do now.
You think you can lie to me?
I'm not lying.
You will do as you're told! This is what happens! No! You are useless! You live in my house, eat my food, and bring me nothing!
But this time, something inside him broke.
I try every day.
What did you just say?
Then her face turned cold.
Get out.
What?
Get out of my house!
Please. I have nowhere to go.
That's not my problem.
Door slam.
Ethan stood in the rain,
Frozen. Alone.
the same house that once felt like home was now closed forever.
His hands were shaking. His heart was heavy.
Where do I go?
He started walking. No direction, no plan. Just pain.
The rain got stronger. Streets were empty.
Cold wind hit his face. Ethan stopped under a streetlight. And for the first time, he cried.
Not quietly.
Not hiding. Just crying.
I tried. I really tried.
Ethan?
It was Emily.
What are you doing here?
She saw his wet clothes, his red eyes. She understood immediately.
Did she kick you out?
You're coming with me.
I don't want to be a burden.
You're not.
Emily took him home.
They looked surprised, but kind.
This is Ethan. He needs help. Come in.
No questions, no judgment.
Just kindness.
Here you go, Ethan. All dry and warm.
Ethan held the plate, his hands shaking again.
Thank you. His voice broke. Days turned into weeks. Ethan stayed.
He helped around the house.
Studied hard. Emily helped him every day.
You're smarter than you think.
Ethan started believing it.
Slowly, he changed.
He spoke more. Worked harder. Dreamed bigger. Years passed. Ethan was no longer the same boy. He became strong. Confident. Successful. He built a life. Not because it was easy. Never gave up.
One day,
He returned to the old house.
The stepmother looked at him, shocked.
Ethan.
He stood calm, different, stronger.
You said I was nothing.
But I found people who showed me I was something.
She looked down.
I'm sorry.
I waited a long time to hear that. But I don't need it anymore. He turned and walked away. Outside, Emily was waiting.
Ready?
Yeah. They walked away together.
Some people break you,
But the right people help you rebuild yourself.